Welcome to ADVIT AI Labs, curated for schools, where we're not just teaching, but shaping the future innovators with the power of AI ML, robotics, and coding education. In an era dominated by rapid technological advancements, integrating artificial intelligence education into schools has become imperative. AI education and equips them with the skills necessary to navigate a future where AI applications are fostering critical thinking, problem-solving, and innovation. ADVIT AI Labs is a turnkey, state-of-the-art, and modular learning platform designed to enable schools, students, and trainers to develop and deploy real-world projects in AI. So, what exactly do? We bring a hands-on approach to learning, enhancing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Our integrated end-to-end solutions for schools are tailored to prepare students for the future, a future driven by technology. And how do we achieve this? We invest in our educators through the teacher training program, ensuring they're equipped with the latest technology knowledge. Our specialized ADVIT AI Labs provide a dynamic learning environment, while our structured curriculum and real-world projects focus on the cutting-edge technologies shaping our world. Join us in fueling the future innovators, where critical thinking meets hands-on experience, and the STEM education revolution starts here.